Generally, humans settle at places where the living conditions are good, but due to some reasons, the living conditions may become worse, which leads to the migration of people. Like humans, some birds will also migrate from one place to another place if the living conditions are not good in the places where they were living. Those birds are known as migratory birds. Every year, the World Migratory Bird Day is celebrated on the second Saturdays in the months of May and October. This year, it is celebrated on May 9th, and the theme is Birds Connect Our World. The five birds shown in the list are migrating from different places across the globe to our Indian subcontinent in different seasons and for different purposes. Some migrate for food and some for shelter. Number 1. Greater Flamingo. Greater Flamingo belongs to Africa and it is the largest species of the flamingo family. Phenicopterus roseus is the scientific name of this bird. Its height is 110 to 150 centimeters and weight is about 2 to 4 kilograms. During colder climates of the year, many of the greater flamingos migrate to India for warmer climates. They can travel approximately 660 kilometers in one night at about 50 to 60 kilometers per hour. Number 2. Demoiselle crane. It belongs to Central Euro-Siberia and Grus virgo is the scientific name of this bird. Its height is approximately 76 centimeters and weight is about 2 to 3 kilograms. These birds migrate from different places across the globe to spend the winters in our Indian subcontinent. In India and Pakistan, this demoiselle crane is also known as coonj. Number 3. Siberian crane. The Siberian crane belongs to Russia and it is also known as the white Siberian crane. Grus lycogyrenus is the scientific name of this bird. Its height is 140 centimeters and weight is about 4.9 to 8.6 kilograms. The lifespan of Siberian cranes are 15 to 30 years. These birds migrate to Bharatpur in eastern Rajasthan in India as the climate in this region is comparatively warmer. There is also the ample availability of food in the region which helps them to survive during winters. Number 4. Bar-headed goose. The bar-headed goose belongs to Central Asia and the scientific name of this bird is Anser indicus. Its length is 68 to 78 centimeters and weight is about 2 to 3 kilograms. The bar-headed goose migrates over the Himalayas to spend the winter in parts of South Asia, generally in Assam and Tamil Nadu. Number 5. Amur falcon. Amur falcon belongs to Siberia and the scientific name of this bird is Falco amurensis. Its length is 25 to 30 centimeters and weight is about 100 to 155 grams. The female falcon is slightly larger and weighs 110 to 190 grams. These birds migrate from Siberia to northeast India to spend the winters. As most of these birds are migrating to Nagaland, it is known as the falcon capital of the world. Due to some human activities, the habitats of these birds are destroying, which leads to the migration. So, in order to protect these migratory birds, United Nations made a convention called Convention on Conservation of Migratory Species, which is also known as Bern Convention. This convention came into force on November 1, 1983 and currently it protects 173 migratory species across the globe. This convention contains two appendices. Appendix 1 includes list of migratory species that are endangered or threatened with extinction. Appendix 2 includes list of migratory species which have an unfavorable conservation status. As of 1st November 2019, there were 130 parties to the convention, which includes India since 1983.